If you're tired of always buying tokens too late and watching others profit first, this video will change how you trade. Bybit Alpha is not about guessing bottoms or chasing pumps. It's about seeing opportunities earlier and acting with structure. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to trade on Bybit Alpha step by step and how real traders use it to stop FOMO. Most traders don't lose because they are bad at trading, they lose because they are always late. By the time a token is all over Twitter or Telegram, the easy money is already gone. Bybit Alpha was built to solve this exact problem. It gives you access to new and trending tokens in one place, directly on Bybit without dealing with complicated wallets or gas fees. This tutorial will help you understand how it works and how to use it correctly. What is Bybit Alpha? Bybit Alpha is a discovery and trading feature inside Bybit that lets you find and trade new and trending tokens early. Instead of hunting across social media or jumping into risky DEX setups, Alpha brings these opportunities directly into your Bybit account. You trade using your unified trading account, which means everything stays simple, fast, and familiar. The goal of Alpha is not to make you rich overnight, but to help you stop being the last buyer. Why Bybit Alpha matters is the biggest edge in crypto is not prediction, it's timing. Bybit Alpha helps you see where attention and liquidity are moving before tokens hit major spot markets. Compared to trading new tokens on DEXs, Alpha removes a lot of friction. You don't need to manage private keys, worry about gas spikes, or switch between platforms. This allows you to focus on decision-making instead of technical setup. Bybit Alpha main sections inside Bybit Alpha. There are two main areas you need to understand. The first is New Coin Sniper, where you can find newly launched tokens that are gaining early interest. The second is Hot Token Screener, which highlights tokens that are already trending and attracting volume. Each section serves a different purpose, and knowing when to use each one is key to trading Alpha properly. How to get started on Bybit Alpha? To start trading on Bybit Alpha, you simply access the Alpha section from the trading menu. Your unified trading account balance is used directly, so there is no complex setup. Once inside, you can browse tokens, check basic data, and prepare your trade. This simplicity is intentional. Alpha is designed to let you act quickly without unnecessary steps getting in the way. How orders work on Bybit Alpha. When you place an order on Bybit Alpha, the process is designed to be fast and simple. You choose the token you want to trade, select the amount you want to buy or sell, and confirm the order. The system handles the execution in the background, so you don't need to worry about gas fees or manual swaps. This is important because speed matters when trading early opportunities, and Alpha is built to reduce hesitation and technical mistakes. New Coin Sniper vs Hot Token Screener. New Coin Sniper is for traders who want the earliest possible exposure. These tokens are new and volatile, which means risk is higher, but so is potential. Hot Token Screener is different. It shows tokens that are already gaining attention and volume. This is better for traders who want confirmation instead of being first. Understanding the difference helps you choose the right tool based on your risk tolerance and experience. How to think about position size. The biggest mistake traders make with Alpha is going too big. Just because a token is new does not mean it deserves a large position. Alpha trading is about small size and early timing, not betting your account on one idea. When you size correctly, you can survive volatility and stay in the game long enough to catch real trends. Common mistakes to avoid. Many traders fail with Alpha because they chase green candles. If a token has already moved aggressively, the easy opportunity is often gone. Another mistake is ignoring liquidity and selling conditions. Always assume new tokens can move both directions fast. Alpha rewards patience and discipline, not impulsive clicks. Risk management is what separates smart Alpha traders from gamblers. You should decide your exit before you enter, even if it's a rough plan. Don't add to losing positions hoping for a bounce. Alpha opportunities come often, so there is no need to force trades. Protecting capital is what allows you to keep accessing new opportunities. If you want to start using Bybit Alpha and stop entering trades too late, check the link in the description and register on Bybit using referral code 50REFUND. This gives you 20% back on futures and spot trading fees and a welcome bonus of up to $30,000. Lower fees and extra bonuses give you more flexibility when trading alpha opportunities. Use the link below, sign up now, and put yourself in a position to see opportunities earlier instead of chasing them after the move.